Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So this is another tree class with myself, Adwoa, and in today's video we are going to be talking about or doing the days of the week in tree, which in tree translates to na watche na, na watche na. Okay, let's just go right into the video. Monday, Adwoa. Tuesday, Ebenada. Wednesday, Wukwada. Thursday, Yawada. Friday, Efiada. Saturday, Memeneda. Sunday, Kwesiada. So we have Adwoa, Ebenada, Wukwada, Yawada, Efiada, Memeneda, Kwesiada. Okay? Now, what day is today? Ene ye da beng. Ene ye efiada. Ochina ye da beng. Ochina ye memeneda. Na enora ye da beng. Na enora ye da beng. Na enora ye yawada. Na enora ye yawada. Or you can just say enora ye yawada. Okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.